How you doing, Jack?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing all right, doing all right. I just wanted to meet with you because there was a couple things I wanted to go over. Um Mostly problems, and I just wanted to get some solutions regarding them.
Yeah.
Uh First of all, I just wanted to get to the main thing, which was we lost our contract with the NFL,
Mhm.
and we are taking a big hit on that. So I just wanted to know where we should move and what we should do in terms of that.
Yeah, so that's definitely not ideal for us, but I mean, I guess that's how it goes. I did see that. I've already started coming up with ideas about it. I mean, that's a lot of money we're losing. That's a big contract, and they weren't supposed to break off so early. So I think a big way that we can make some of that money back is, suing them for breach of contract. Because I mean, they breached like 2 years early.
Hmm.
We could definitely get some money back there. That'd be a pretty easy lawsuit, I think. Another thing I think we could do is maybe reach out to other sport leagues. Like maybe I mean our name's out there because we worked with the NFL for a while. So maybe, the NBA, MLB would be willing to work with us.
Yeah, for sure. I think I mean I can get in contact with a few teams. I think it's best if we get sponsorships with certain teams, and then from there I think we can move league wide,
Yeah, for sure.
whichever league.
Yeah.
And then some other things were the quality control problems. We've been having a lot of people return stuff and a lot of complaints in terms of customers um getting wrong sizes and then some holes in shirts, stuff like that more than usual. Um, I think that's a warehouse problem. I think the workers need to do a better job on the front lines. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that's definitely just a warehouse problem. More of a like manufacturer than warehouse mainly. Maybe all of our stuff is getting made in like China right now.
Hmm.
I mean, we're getting it for dirt cheap, but I mean, if they're putting holes in wrong sizing and stuff, maybe we should start thinking about getting it American made, or maybe moving, just maybe keep it in China, but choose a different manufacturer out of there.
Yeah, because it is cheaper, so larger we have a larger profit,
Yeah,
and we can be a little more hands-on ourselves if the manufacturers were in the US, like you said.
yeah,
But yeah, I think that's our best thing. And I mean, our employees are asking for raises in the warehouse, but with the way things are going right now, I don't know if it's deserved.
yeah, for sure. I think we should probably just jump ship on them. I mean, they're asking for raises while putting holes in our shirts, so
Yeah,
maybe
and I mean,
maybe
with
I think we definitely maybe need to switch to manufacturer for sure. I don't know if we should come to the US or just choose another Chinese one. What do you think?
no, I think, like I said, I think with our manufacturers being in China, the profit was larger, but I think it's something we have to do, moving to the US, even if it's a little more, if it hurts us a little more in the cost range. But
I agree. I think people will more. I bet more people will buy it, and I bet we can get bigger contracts when they know it's made in America as well.
yeah, for sure, for sure.
Mhm.
And then another thing is our marketing. Do you think we should move more towards online social media rather than physical, like billboards and newspapers, stuff like that, just because now the younger generations are starting to move towards the the technology side of certain marketing. So, what's your take on that?
Yeah, for sure. I think we should definitely think about going more to social media like Facebook or Google Ads, something like that. And I think maybe what could help us with that is maybe just getting some more younger minds on the corporate side.
Hmm.
Maybe start taking some interns every summer and start hiring more kids out of college. Build up like a young more younger age marketing team to
Hmm.
to help us do that.
Yeah, for sure. And I think something that also we could do is or a problem is the amount of shirts that we have overstock. I mean, some things are outdated and we're just having to just keep them and there's way too many of them. Do you think we should move things toward clearance and just like lower prices and
Yeah,
offer deals and stuff like that?
yeah, definitely. I feel like yeah, definitely on our website we should have a clearance area or maybe uh yeah, yeah, we should definitely do that. Yeah, clearance, maybe give way to some of our bigger clients, like big companies, maybe give them some free shirts just so we get their good graces and as well as a clearance, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think also something that we should do is move to people that are popular on social media in general because there's a lot of people that are on TikTok, they're on Instagram, Instagram Reels, stuff like that. And I think if we hand out some stuff for free and
Yeah.
just have them wear it in their videos or
Yeah. Definitely like
whatnot.
athletes and stuff like that. Maybe if we do enough athletes, we can even get in connection with their team or something like that. So that's definitely a good idea.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Also something that has come across my plate, the loss there's been a lot of lost shipments, delayed delivery, and we do offer shipping costs just for our services
Mhm.
because I don't think we would be able to run without it. I mean, we need shipping costs.
Yeah.
But there's been some complaints. Do you think we should delay our or lower our shipping costs, or because people have been complaining about the delayed delivery and people just straight up not getting their stuff? Is that the delivery problem, or should we just lower our costs?
I mean, all we have to do is ship it, which I know we do. We do that on time. So that's more of just like a FedEx or post office problem. So I feel
Yeah.
like maybe we should lower it. I mean, because that's really all we can do. Or maybe whenever we sell, whenever before they check out, we put like a notice saying we've been
Mhm.
having problems with FedEx not delivering or being late. So maybe a combination of both of those would be good.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Um, I think I was saying earlier about the problems customers were having. I think before we ship things out, we should have like an inspection process
Okay,
where
yeah.
every shirt that gets boxed up should be before it gets boxed up, it should just be inspected
Yeah,
and make sure before it's boxed, it's going to the right person, right address, and it's the right shirt.
yeah.
And
It's
then
just another warehouse problem.
yeah, yeah. And then I mean, like
Definitely,
on Black Friday, we had wait, what were you saying?
I was saying definitely getting some new either firing and finding better people. Because I mean they're asking for these raises and they're not doing their job. So I feel like we definitely need to handle some stuff on the warehouse side.
Yeah, for sure. Something else was on Black Friday, our website was crashing. I don't know. I mean, we obviously hire people to do that. People were having payment failures, things were selling out, and there were so many people on the website that that a lot of people weren't able to complete their orders. Do you think we should expand our website and or just change who's running it?
Yeah, I mean we got that website built a while ago. I mean, I know with AI and everything now, everything's kind of more advanced. I feel like maybe just scrapping the whole website and just getting a whole new one with
Yeah.
the new software. And that could those marketing major kids I was talking about, like those interns. I mean,
Hmm.
they go to college to do stuff like that. So maybe we can get that can be part of the marketing team. Would be build us a new website.
Yeah, for sure. Because we've we've had that website since the start. It's not necessarily like a big paged website, so I think
Yeah.
that would be a good idea.
I mean, yeah, we
And
definitely got a lot bigger since we started that website. So
yeah, yeah. And then something else was obviously we're t-shirts, hoodies, stuff like that. Do you think it would be a good idea to expand our variety and just go towards, I mean, maybe pants, hats, maybe have long sleeves, but I think if we expanded our horizon a little more, we'd make a lot more money.
yeah, I definitely agree. I think I do think I've been thinking about that for a while. I do think it's about time. I mean, we've been doing really good the past couple of years. I mean, obviously with NFL dropping out, kind of is a little bit of a blow. But I feel like if we drop maybe some joggers, like some track suits, some hats, I feel like we could come back even stronger with all that stuff.
Yeah, for sure. I just didn't want to be like every other clothing company because we have a lot of competitors, and I mean, obviously, you'll have competitors with any company that's built from the ground up. But I feel like we're targeting the same audience,
Mhm.
and a lot of these companies are starting to move towards the full clothing
Yeah, for sure.
side of it. So I think that would be a good idea.
I mean, yeah, you gotta think like we're only selling teams and leagues like just the shirts. If we can get their business on the joggers as well, I mean that's going to be just double the contract value for everything. So it's definitely a good idea.
Yeah, that's something we do have to work on because the NFL dropping out like that and moving to one of our biggest competitors, that's a real issue. And I think not only is it wrong, but I do think we could get a big payday on that just because we've lost so much money
Yeah, no,
after the
well,
drop.
I mean, yeah, it was all. I mean, we had good lawyers write everything up in the contract. I mean, they know that they breached out of it, and I don't. I think it'll be a pretty easy lawsuit to win. I think
Yeah.
we can definitely get paid for what they're supposed to pay us in the remaining 2 years. So
Mhm.
I feel like we'll definitely get our money back, but it's just going to be, these couple months to where we don't have the money yet, to where we're going to have to probably stretch our dollar. But I think
Mhm.
after the lawsuit's over, I think we'll be good.
Yeah, for sure. And then I mean, the last thing that's been going on has been the degree of difficulty that we've had of repeat customers.
Mhm.
I mean, a lot of people are just buying one thing and then not buying again. And I mean, 90% of our people, for the people, love our product.
Mhm.
But I mean, with our shirts and sweatshirts, I think that goes back to expanding the horizon on what we're making just
Yeah,
because people are buying our stuff one time and
yeah,
just leaving.
yeah. I
So,
definitely feel like we could definitely start maybe like a newsletter, just so I mean they'll see our company name and like their email. It might remind them of us, or maybe a text message, or
mhm.
maybe just the ads, put more ads out there. They're scrolling on Instagram and they see our ad, they'll be like, oh yeah, I have a shirt of theirs and it's a good shirt. Maybe they'll buy another one. I feel
Yeah.
like it's a mixture of those.
Yeah, and then I mean that's really it, but I think we have to start having more manufacturers, more warehouses because a lot of people are buying our product, and then a lot of the time on our website there's a lot of things that aren't available, so I think it would be a good idea just to make more of the larger selling items
Yeah, for sure.
because of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all I really wanted to meet with you about. A lot of these problems are very fixable,
Yeah.
and I think we can get on to a good route soon enough.
Yeah, so I'll definitely get on the hiring side for the new marketing team. I'll start looking at first I'll make the positions, put on Indeed or whatever, and I'll start looking at candidates for it. So maybe we're set up by the next hiring cycle. I'll start looking at some summer interns as well.
Okay. All right, awesome. Well, Jack, thanks for meeting with me. It was good talking to you.
Yeah, for sure. Sounds good.